Get the fuck into the fucking car.
Okay, the outside lane. Get the fucking inside lane. To the hook in the outside. Yeah.
This insecure driver confronts the biker because he thinks the biker flipped him off in traffic.
What's up?
What's up, bro?
Hey, yo, Joe.
What is it?
What?
You flipping me off and what? You
Oh,
think
no,
you
I wasn't,
what, man?
I wasn't flipping you off.
No, get the on.
I wasn't flipping you off.
This biker nearly gets in a bad accident when the driver makes a risky move across the road.